Hey guys, how's it going? Paula here, and welcome back to the Flavorful Home. Today is another episode of the Flavor of the Day, where I give a quick little how-to. And today is a yummy one, frittata. Frittata is, I guess you could say, kind of like an Italian omelet, but it's made with breadcrumb. You could put whatever you like in a frittata. I am using my leftover broccoli. I made broccoli with dinner last week, and I don't want to throw it away because I don't like throwing away food. So I'm going to use that to make a yummy, filling lunch. Can also be a dinner, and a frittata could be whatever you like. Broccoli, cauliflower, cheese, chicken. Whatever you have left over, onions, do a saute and add it to the breadcrumb egg mixture, and divine. So let's gather our ingredients and get our frittata started. Okay, so what do we have for this delicious frittata? My leftover broccoli, 2 eggs, some garlic powder, pepper, salt, some of my grated, this is Pecorino Romano. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna have to grate some more because you can see that's getting to the bottom. And I have a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs here. I'll add more if I feel it needs it, but do not throw away your leftover veggies, be it broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, carrots, things like that. Make onions for sure, make such a delicious, quick, easy lunch. So I'm gonna put in my eggs. I'll just see if I could bring you down a little bit. And I'm doing 2 eggs. I do have my breadcrumb on standby if I need to add more. Give it a nice whip. I'm going to add a little water to it. Make them a little fluffy. Just a dribble. I fly by the seat of my pants with things like this. There's no right or wrong way. Now my broccoli, I did a quick saute to heat it back up so it wasn't ice cold out of the fridge. Now I'm gonna just go with my breadcrumb, and I will get a feel for how thick it's gonna be. Okay, that is the whole 1/2 cup. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit. Again, no true measurements, just going by taste. Some kosher salt. This is the fave right here. A nice, I'm gonna do 2 of those, of the grated cheese. Nice kitchen soup spoon. And let's get that. Get it all mixed. And I'm going to heat my pan with olive oil and put this in. So we'll move you over to the stove. Okay, we're at the stove. I'm just going to scrape this in. And I had a little bit more broccoli than was necessary for it. So it's going to be a lot of broccoli frittata, and that's okay. But just press it down. Let me get my pot holder because that handle is hot. Pump that gas up a little. And we're going to just let that brown up. And when it has a nice brown bottom, we will flip it to finish cooking on the other side. This is going to take a bit, so I'm going to come back when we're ready to flip. Okay, it's got a little bit of the shake. And I'm just going to do it this way so that I'm not burning myself. And look at that. But we're not finished yet. Let me get a little bit of this off. Just gonna add it to the dish there. I'm going to give a little bit more of the olive oil again, because we want it to just slide around. Okay, and we're going to push it back in. I think I'm going to use my spatula for that. Give it a little shake. And there you go. Let's get all the broccoli back down in there. Okay. And just give it a press again. You want the other side to be nice and brown too. Give it about 2 minutes. And I'm going to just, even though it doesn't go with it, I'm going to put my little Le Creuset right on top of it, let it finish cooking. When we take it out, I'll show you how it plates. Alrighty, you ready for it to hit the plate? Let's give it a little shake and just slide it right onto the dish. Oh, that is pretty. And I'll just give it a little hit of salt. Guys, don't throw away your leftovers. Try to find something to make with them. This is, again, peasant food. You're talking about breadcrumbs, egg, broccoli, some cheese. Whatever it is you love, put into a frittata. I'm gonna put this on a little dish for tasting. Be right back. Alrighty, I got my frittata, and I like a little Tabasco on it. I just love that flavor. And believe me, there's broccoli in every bite. Oh my, that is good. Friends, simple meals often make the best, most memorable meals. A frittata of your choice, a nice glass of wine, and a friend, and it's lovely. I have to take another taste. Let me see if I want to get in close so you can see. See all that breadcrumb and broccoli? Oh, it's delicious. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come visit often. Till next time, my dear friends, go create something wonderful. Bye-bye now.